Hey guys, welcome back to the basement and welcome to today's workout. Today we have a resistance band lower body, so just leg workout. This will complement the other workout that I posted a couple of days ago, which was the upper body workout. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Today we only have 3 exercises. We're going to do about 10 to 12 repetitions per exercise, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. So you're going to have to find a band that works for you. I already have a couple of them set up. Pretty simple, guys. We're gonna go right through it. We'll take about 20 to 30 second break between each exercise. Before we get going, this is Thursday morning, Thanksgiving Day, when you're probably watching this. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Enjoy your day today. Enjoy your time with family and your friends. Make sure you come back, work off some of those extra calories. And remember, it's not Thanksgiving, it's not the holidays while we gain weight. It's the other 360 days of the year. So anyway, let's enjoy this workout together, guys, and let's get going. First one is a tied up lunge. So my band is already tied up. Tie it up somewhere low. Step into it. And step back. And we're going to do 12 repetitions. There's tension on the band already as I'm standing here, as you can tell. So we're going to do 12 repetitions per side. Ready? And let's go. 1. And all the way up. 2. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 2 more. 1 and 2. And take a little breather. We'll switch legs, same thing on the other side. So you can use multiple bands, find the resistance that works for you. For me, it's a purple band, and that does a pretty good job. Make sure you step away at the same distance so you get equal resistance. Okay, ready to go on the other side? Let's go for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lock it out. 8. 9, 10, 11, and 12. And take a little breather. So you can combine these bands. Like I said, this one I'm using a purple one. Green one will be the most resistant. Black one is a bit less than that. And the red one is the least resistant. I also have a red one tied here. So maybe in the next set, I'll make it a little more difficult and just to show you guys that you can combine the bands and use both of them and get a little bit more resistance, so you can control it pretty well. Step back and give me 12 reps. Ready? Let's go. 1. That feels better. 2. A little more of a challenge. 3. Make those quads burn. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 2 more. 1 and 2. All right, right away switch legs. Step back about the same amount of distance. Let's go for 12. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's take a little breather. This is odd, I'm facing away from the camera for most of this workout so far. Whew. All right, how you guys doing? So I'm recording this a couple days, one day before Thanksgiving. In the morning. Leg workouts for me are always tough in the morning. Old joints, they don't move very well in the morning. Today, however, surprisingly, kind of okay, you know. So, good days and bad days, like we always say here for After 50. You know what you can with what we got, right? All right, 3rd and final set. I'm starting off with the right leg. Bends back, step back. But got good tension on it. And let's go. You can always step back more. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That leaves us 2 more. 1 and 2. And let's switch legs. Last and final time. All right, step back, catch your balance, fast as you can, and let's go for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1 more. And that's it. Yep, definitely felt the burn on that one. All right, felt good. Let's walk it off for a little bit. Now we're gonna go to a single leg RDL. This one, admittedly, it's gonna be difficult for me to keep my balance. I'm gonna do the best that I can, but I might fall over. You never know. I do not have the best coordination in the world. For this, I'm using the black band, and I am going to choke up on it just a little bit so I get resistance from the very beginning of the movement. Something we not notice on the next exercise that we will do. So, black band for me, choked up, single leg RDL. I think we're gonna go for 12 repetitions, shooting for 12, see what happens. Stand on the bend, choke up, stand up, and then just bend forward on single leg. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2. If you have to support yourself on the back leg, that's fine. Just don't push off on it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1 and 2. Don't waste time, switch sides. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2. Like I said, balance is part of this workout, part of the exercise here. 3. Fight it. 4, 5, like that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, last 1, and 2. Perfect. So when you do choke up on this band, kind of want to make sure that you're choking up the same equal distance on both sides. Otherwise, they'll pull you to either side. Probably make the exercise a little more difficult. I find it difficult enough as it is. Don't need to look like a fool falling over. All right, 1 set down, 2 sets to go. Set up, back to the leg we started off with. Tension on the band. When you stand up, this band should not be loose. So when you bend forward like this, there should be tension on it right here, and then you just pull up. Ready? And let's go for 12. 1, 2. I always have to build my confidence about how low I go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost fell over. 2 more. Keep your balance, Paul. Come on. 1. Come on, guys. Keep your balance with me. And 2. Whew. Switch legs. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway. Keep it up. 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 2 more. 1 and 2. All right, you got 1 more set left. So guys, the stronger your legs are, the more pressure we take off of our knee and off our knee joints and all those muscles around there. So remember, it's usually for me, I notice at least, that's why I stopped running and doing all that exercise as much, because my knees were killing me. Ever since I started doing more leg work, I am back to running a couple times, 3-4 times a week. They feel much better, so just keep that in mind. As we get older, your entire life has been supported by them. Keep those legs strong and try to stay as pain-free as you can. Having said that, let's bring some of that pain-free exercises here. And back to set number 3, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and fall over on 4. Perfect timing. All right, last set, opposite leg. Get ready, catch your balance, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, beautiful, stay with me. 5, 6, keep it up. 7, 8, 9, 2 more, 3 more, 1, come on, 2, last 1, down and up for 3, and that's it. That takes care of the glutes and the hamstrings. We took care of the quads and kind of everything on the first exercise. Now we're definitely gonna go quad dominant. We're gonna do some squats, front squats with a band. So when you go down to the bottom of this exercise, I'm just gonna use the purple band for this. Not the purple one, the black one. The purple one is more resistance, mainly because it gets in the way of my microphone and I don't want the thing flying off. So it's gonna be arms in front of you, bend over the front of your shoulders, all right? So it's a front squat. So what I said in the beginning, with the band, when you go all the way down, there's gonna be 0 resistance on it. But when you come all the way up, that's gonna be the most resistance. So it's kind of like the opposite of the strength and power curve you usually have on a squat. Usually the squat's the hardest at the bottom and the easiest on top. This is the reverse. So let's go for 3 sets. I'm just going to do 3 sets of 12. I'm set up, and let's go. No resistance, most resistance. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 1 and 2. Also keeping the bend in front makes you stay more upright. So if you guys are doing squats at home, you try it with a barbell. Keep that barbell on the front of the shoulders, in front of your neck, instead of behind your neck. You kind of rest on your clavicle. You'll notice that you have to stay very upright in order to do the squat properly. You can lean forward. Very difficult for me to do because I am not very mobile. So something like the band comes in very handy as practice. So once set done, going for set number 2. Bend in front. Here we go. Arms out. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 1 and 2. We can all probably use the purple band for this or combined bands. Like I said, just for the purpose of this video, I don't want this thing to get ripped off. I'm using the black band and my legs are actually feeling quite enough as it is. One set left, guys. One set, we're done. You can go enjoy your turkey, enjoy your family. Hopefully you got this done in the morning. Hopefully you're not taking time away from anything else. Don't do that. Save time for family and friends. You can always come back to this crap later on. All right, last set before we eat. You guys ready to go? Let's go. Set up. Bend up. Arms out. And let's go for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1 and 2. All right, guys, and that's it. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. This was our resistance band lower body workout. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Once again, enjoy your Thanksgiving. Once you're done with all this, come back, give me a big like, leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you like. I'll see you guys later. Workouts come on every Monday and Thursday. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you then.